Hello everyone and welcome back to another one of my videos. Wishing you all lovely people a very happy new year. What a better way to begin the year. Let us today unbox our very own Simon Says Stamp January 2022 card kit. This kit is called Warmest Wishes and it includes a wide variety of hand-selected, coordinating supplies enough to keep you creating for hours. I will also be sharing a link to the Simon Says Card Kit Gallery where you will find wonderful designs by some amazingly creative designers and card makers. Let's unbox this month's kit and take a look at all the amazing products included in the kit. Before we get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of my videos. The first thing that we see here is a jar of the Simon Says Stamp Seafoam Glitz glitter gel. Well, I have never used one of these before, so it will definitely be a surprise for me too. Looks like this would be perfect to create my winter cards. I have seen a couple of videos where crafters use this gel with stencils. Maybe we can try doing that in our next video. Next we have the Hampton Art Studio G Pink Color Self-Adhesive Gems. I have previously used the Studio G self-adhesive pearls in cards before and they do have a very sticky backing. I will leave a video link in the description box below where I used those sticky pearls. Now we have two A2 size envelopes in doll pink and white. Both these envelopes come with a sticky self-seal which allow you to simply pull the seal and press close. Next up, we have the 6x6 Simon Says Stamp Snowflake Stencil. This is a beautiful intrinsic snowflake stencil which can be used with any kind of ink blending techniques or sprays, or even the gel that is provided in the kit. Next, we have this beautiful 3D embossing folder. I love the snowflake design on it. It's a very detailed design and an ultra thick folder which, like all of my other Simon Says embossing folders, I'm sure will give a true dimensional effect. Let's now take a look at this amazing pattern paper collection. These are the Starry Nights 6x6 designer pattern paper pads from La La Land's Crafts. I love these beautiful double-sided stars and moons background and also the subtle plaid designs which will be so much fun to work with. These pattern papers are pretty thick, made up of 80-pound cardstock with a little bit of sheen on either side. These are perfect to create a night scene background. Let us now take a look at this huge 6x8 stamp set. This is the Warmest Wishes stamp set by Simon Says Stamp. Take a look at the little snow people, the trees and the little gift boxes. You could directly stamp these onto your card fronts or fuzzy cut them out and stick them on your cards. These come with a coordinating die set which is well not part of the kit but can be bought separately. Every kit you get comes with this inspiration sheet which gives 6 card inspirations by some amazing designers and card makers. This definitely comes in handy when you are not sure where to begin. Last but not the least, we have 4 cardstocks: soft navy, doll pink and lavender from Simon Says Stamp and the Neenah 110-pound solar white cardstock. Well, this is definitely a very wintry and versatile kit with an assortment of some really fun products. I can't wait to create some cards using this kit. I will be creating using the stamp set, the Glitz gel and the beautiful Starry Nights pattern papers. We will welcome this 2022 with lots of shine and sparkle. All the supplies can be found linked in the description box below. I will see you back with some fun cards that I will be creating using this card kit. Thank you again for joining me today. I would love for you to become a subscriber to my channel, and if you do subscribe or you're already a subscriber, please make sure to hit the bell icon so that you don't miss the next time I post a video. Until next time, stay safe. Bye-bye.